Hello, I'm Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to add labels to meta edges and configure them. First, let's discuss what a meta edge is. When an edge connects a node in a child drawing to a node in another child drawing, it is called an interdrawing edge. If one of the nodes that contains a child drawing is collapsed, then the interdrawing edge is replaced with a meta edge. This visually indicates that there is a relationship between nodes in the two child drawings until a parent node is again expanded. In today's video, we're going to show how to add labels to meta edges based on the data of the underlying interdrawing edges, and also show how to configure those labels. In this example application, we go to Perspectives Designer and open the departmental management example, which ships with Perspectives. Then we're going to go to the drawing view definition, and we're going to look at the meta edge rules that we added in order to show useful labels on the meta edges. Here we evaluate if we have collapsed drawings at either end of the meta edge. Here we see that we have a collapsed drawing at the target of the meta edge. So we are going to add a label which shows which employees a manager is managing. And we're going to configure the label layout properties in order to place the label near the source of the edge. Next, we add a similar label if we have a collapsed drawing at the source, but not the target. And we can configure the label layout properties here as well. And then we add labels and configure them in the case that we have collapsed drawings at both ends of the meta edge. Now we're going to open the web previewer and see the new meta edge labels. So first, we have all of the nested drawings expanded. We're going to go in and collapse all of the nested drawings. And here you can see the new meta edge labels, which show who is managing which employees. Next, we're going to expand the engineering nested drawing. And you see how the meta edge labels change to show us only the information that is hidden inside the nested parent. Now we're going to return to the designer and show how easy it is to update the appearance of the meta edge labels. So we're going to go to this case, choose the template name, and then we're going to update it to a different edge label template that we created previously. You can see more details on how to configure templates in our video on how to use drawing templates. And now we're going to return back to the web previewer and to see these different results. Once again, we will collapse all of the nested drawings. And we're going to expand the engineering nested drawing. And we can see how we have different edge label styles given a different situation for the nested drawings. In this video, we showed how to add labels to meta edges and how to update their appearance given the attributes of the underlying interdrawing edges. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.